Good day everyone. This is a tutorial for Metayota. Today you get even more information about our database feature. I'm going to add a new resource, a new database table named Actor. The type is database table, and the project website. When I click at resource, the resource is created. I need to set the permissions. I give users and visitors the access to this resource. The parameters are used to describe the database columns because the resource has the type database table. Since this is an actor table, I'm going to add a parameter for the first name since every actor has a first name. The first name is of type text, and I am clicking OK to add the parameter. The second parameter is the same, just for the last name. Of course, it is also of type text. And the second parameter is added. Now I am going to create a third parameter. The title is birthday, the name is birthday, just all lowercase. The name will also be the column name in my SQL. For the type I chose date, and I am going to click OK again to save the new parameter. And since we also want to add pictures for the actors, we are going to add a new field for the picture. The picture has the type file, so an upload button will be added, which uploads the chosen file to the upload directory. Now the parameter is saved by clicking OK. But the database table has not yet been created. I need to click the button Create Database Table to create it. I see a message on the bottom right that says, the database table has been created. Great. I'm going to open PHPMyAdmin to check out how the new table looks. Web 393 is my database, and the table that has been created is called Actor. When we click on Structure, we see that the table has the 4 columns I defined, plus an additional column, giving a unique number as a key to every row. In the Metayota Editor again, I add a new actor. You see that the birthday uses another type of input to enter dates than the first name and last name. I'm going to add Angelina Jolie and enter some random date for the birthday. Great. The new row in the database table has been saved. Of course, it is also possible to update this row again by clicking the edit icon next to the row. But let's add a new row. First name is Brad Pitt. And some random birthday, I'm sure in reality he is much older. Clicking OK to add the new row to the database table. It is super easy to create, update, and view your database tables. I already prepared another example with movies, so I created a database table named Movie. Here it is, all the great movies for my new movie website. A beautiful list. It even displays the image and all the data in the correct format. I even have a second page here. I search for star to see all the movies that contain the word star. When I edit the Star Wars movie, for example, I see suitable and easy to use form components to edit the row. For the movie length, it displays a nice number field. The movie genre is another table that contains all the genres. Here is just the reference to the genre. By clicking OK, the row is saved. Let's see how this table looks in PHPMyAdmin. The Metayota Editor is much more convenient to edit the database. You see that the genre here is just a number it references to another table, called genre. Let's see the genre database table. It's better to put this into a separate table. Of course, I can also look at the same table in the Metayota Editor. Let's open the genre here. It only has a title and a description, which is empty in this example. I'm going to add a new genre. Let's say comedy, and click OK to save it. But all these components to edit and view your database tables are also available to be embedded into your website. There are tags to display lists of database tables, or rows, etc. The Metayota Editor is a powerful tool to administer your databases. Click on the column title to sort the table. But let me show you how the genre is connected to the movie. Go to the parameters, and then I click the edit icon on the genre parameter. You see that this is not a drop-down. It is of type database row. I had to fill in the 3 parameters DB table, title field, and ID field. So this will display a drop-down with all the rows in the genre table. Please read the documentation to find out more about all the features we offer. Visit our website www.metayota.com. Become a fan on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn.